Pop quiz. How much food should you give your aquarium fish in a day? Overfeeding is a common mistake, but here's a pro tip. Only feed them as much as they can consume in 2 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. Just 2 minutes. Too much food can dirty the water and cause health problems, so keep it light and keep it right. Like a sophisticated dinner party, small portions are key. Now I'm curious, how often are you feeding your finned friends? Comment below and let's get a conversation swimming. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to keep your fishy friends healthy and happy. Stay tuned for more aquarium tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those waters clear.